Why did you want to learn to be a crane operator?
I've been around it years ago. I went to driving truck because that's what I knew. I have a son and a wife now, and I want to be home. I figured it'd be a good industry to get into. A buddy of mine recommended y'all. He works for the local around here, and he said y'all are a good place to go. Training has been real good. I've been learning a lot. I'm staying busy, learning things that I barely didn't know or forgot. It's been 10 years. I worked for a local crane company around here. Started out in the yard, working on the cranes, working on the equipment, learning how to repair them. Something I always wanted to get into. At the time, it was easier for me to go the route I took, driving. But again, it's something I always wanted to do. Worked for another company for about a year or so with hydraulic cranes as an oiler for them. Still didn't have the time or the money to actually get into it. Years later, now I have the chance, and I took it. And here I am. I hope to land a good job, have a pretty good life, comfortable life. Not looking to get rich, just make a good living.